Today we're going to bring the GKU camera, and this is a D700. Now, let me talk a little bit more about the details first of all. They give you pretty much all the cable that you need required because they also give you the actual backup camera. The camera connects in the actual front camera, right? So they give you all the equipment, cable management, and so forth. And not only that, they give you extra adhesive in case you want to change it out in one car and put it on the next car. So that's a great thing to have, and we're going to go over some details on the actual camera itself. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here's the actual camera itself. It does have a mic, all right, so it's going to listen to your conversation. It comes with a memory card too, also included, Type C, front connection for the actual back of the camera. Micro SD card, you could purchase your own, but they give you plenty of space in here. It kind of loops after its cycle. It's a touch screen, all right? And also there's a power button in case you just want to turn it off because it does record internal conversations too. That's another thing that, you want to turn it off for. Or if you're something that's going to say conserve battery or you're having issues with your car, you could turn it off or you could disconnect. And we're going to connect it right now and I'm going to show you a couple of features from here. And like I said, it's a touchscreen. You could do the wireless device. We're going to show you guys the wireless device too. You do need the application in order to make this work. It gives you an actual barcode that I'm going to blur it out, but this one actually gives you a password and everything that you require. Let's go ahead and set it up on our phone. All right, the name of the application is simple, GKU Go, right? That's the name of the application. It's asking us if you want to connect the camera. It identifies the camera automatically, connect. So we're going to give it the password. We're going to give it all the information I require for it. File. So this is very helpful in case you get in an accident or you need some evidence right away. This is one way you actually can get it. So let's go ahead and connect this. So right now it gives you a couple options. We did connect to the wireless, the microphone's on, GPS locations on too. It's picture in picture. If you have the backup camera, you could do picture in picture. Settings, you could go to settings, but unfortunately, because I'm using the app, it's not going to let you do it. Everything I'm doing here, you could do it from the app too. So we're going to go in the app so you guys can see a little bit better on the app. From the app, you could pause the recording. You could stop recording. You could take a picture. You could go to your actual files, and your files is going to give you tons of files. If you've been driving, it's going to give you all the information, everything second by second, night and day, and also your backup camera. Now, to download directly to your phone, it's going to take, if you do one, it's not going to take that long. But if you do tons of them, it's going to take you a while. So just be sure that when you're doing, select one at a time, or maybe review it first before transferring to your phone. Out of the box, works with none of the application. You could just constantly just have the system on, and then you can also take the memory card and you just transfer it anywhere you want and watch it from your computer.
Go back.